It's a rare opportunity when a home becomes available in the sought-after community of Willistown Hunt, one of the premier enclaves of Willistown Township, located in the award-winning Great Valley School District. Nestled in a quiet and insulated section of the neighborhood, this home offers a serene backyard setting with tranquil wooded views. Here, you'll enjoy the best of both worlds, a peaceful private environment with effortless access to nearby conveniences, including Westchester Borough and the shops and restaurants at Ellis Preserve, all just minutes from the scenic walking trails of Okahocking Preserve. The community's low-maintenance lifestyle means all exterior care is handled for a very modest monthly fee, giving you more time to enjoy what matters most. And with low property taxes relative to the home's spacious design and thoughtful upgrades, ownership here is as practical as it is rewarding. Step inside to discover a versatile, thoughtfully designed floor plan that flows seamlessly from one room to the next. Each space offers its own personality, from elegant crown molding and wainscot to warm, inviting living areas, perfect for gathering and entertaining. With eastern exposure, the kitchen is filled with cheerful morning light, bright and uplifting yet comfortably shaded from the stronger afternoon sun in the west. The walkout lower level is a true highlight, offering remarkable flexibility to fit your lifestyle. Whether you envision a fourth bedroom, private office, cozy den, expansive recreation space, or a self-contained private suite for visitors or intergenerational living, every detail has been finished with care to create a space that's both functional and inviting. Step outside to your elevated deck and enjoy the serene wooded backdrop, a private setting often visited by deer families and perfect for morning coffee or quiet evening relaxation. From its tranquil surroundings and low-maintenance lifestyle to its elegant finishes and flexible living spaces, 88 Longview Lane offers a truly exceptional opportunity to live beautifully and comfortably in Willistown Hunt. Welcome home.